Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you had a great weekend. Today, I'm in the kitchen and I want to show you one of our favorite tuna salad recipes, dill and lemon tuna salad. This tuna salad is easy to make and you could probably make it right after watching our video because it's items you probably have on hand. It's creamy and tasty. I'm excited to show you how to make this tuna salad, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. In a bowl, place two 4.5-ounce cans of albacore tuna and break chunks with a fork. Looks good. Now place this to the side and let's make the dressing. In another small bowl, add half a cup mayo. I'm using avocado mayo. To this, add 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Now add 2 teaspoons dried dill. And crush them between your fingers. This will bring out its flavors. Then add 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, half a teaspoon salt. Mix. Lemon and dill are fantastic together. Now at this point you could taste the dressing. If you believe it needs more salt, you may add more salt. Okay. Let's bring back the tuna and let's add this amazing dressing. Scrape the bowl to get all that deliciousness out of the bowl and into the tuna. Bowl is scraped. Now let's mix the dressing with the tuna. It smells so good. The fresh lemon juice adds a pop of fresh flavor. I love making this tuna salad. It's so good. Let's cover this with a bowl cover. I get these at the dollar store. And place in the refrigerator for no less than 2 hours so the flavors can all meld into the tuna to make it absolutely delicious. I've placed some of the tuna in a small serving bowl. Now if you make this tuna salad for guests, you can sprinkle dried or fresh dill on top and place a slice of lemon on the side. That way your guests will know which flavors are in the tuna salad. Also, add a spoon for serving. This dill and lemon tuna salad can be enjoyed on crackers, in a sandwich, on a bed of greens, and even on its own. It's that good. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Well guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, comment. We would love to hear from you. And if you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. We wouldn't want you to miss our simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. Remember to stay kind and positive. See ya next time. Love ya. Bye.